Hi friends, welcome to Test Automation Point. This is Ravi Murthinapalli. In this video we will see how to read Excel data using Selenium WebDriver and using Apache POI. So for this we will consider a sample Excel sheet which has some sample data and it has a sheet data. So using Apache POI we will see how to read a sample value from this sheet. So for that, let us go to our Eclipse and create a sample class, new class, readexcel. So we have the class created. So our first step is to get the Excel sheet into our Eclipse scope and create a workbook object. So for that, go to Test Automation Point. So copy the code for the first step. So we'll pass the sheet path, Test Automation Point, and the sheet is data. So we have the file object created with this line, and then we have input stream object. This is needed to read data, and we have the XSF, this is Apache POI object. And throws declarations. Yes. So first step is done. So we have created an Excel object, and then our next step is create an object for the sheet. Copy this. So our sheet name is data. Copy the same sheet name. So workbook object dot get sheet of data, and we are assigning to XSF sheet object, and you can create XSF sheet object using index as well. So we will do like this: instead of data you will pass 1. So this also points to the same thing. So we'll remove this, we'll follow the first one. So we have the sheet object created. So our next thing is create a row object. So using the sheet object we created a row and we'll import this. So our next step is create a cell object. Copy the code. So we'll use row here instead of this lining. Put a colon, import the cell. Yes. So we have the cell object created, and then we need to get the value. So we'll get cell of 1, get row of 1, get cell of 1. So it's pointing to row, and index starts with 0. So first row and first column, it will map to gym. So it's nothing but a string cell value. So to get a value from the sheet, we have some specific methods. If it is a string, then we need to use get string cell value. If it is a numeric, then we need to use get numeric cell value. If it's a date, then we need to use get date cell value. So since gym is a string, then we will go with get string cell value. Get string cell value, and we'll print this system.out.println, and we'll put this. So now we have the code created. Let us close the workbook object and input stream object. Let us run it. Path issue, test automation point demo missing. Demo. So we have the gym printed. Similarly, you can use different methods, get numeric or get date, based on the value you want. Thank you for watching the video.